ever seen a gotcha tool? This is a product that Stacey Park has made for a while, and now that she has partnered with Sizzix, she is offering it through Sizzix with the Sizzix brand on it. And this is the box that it comes in, and this is the gotcha tool. It is a magnet, and it has a stand on the back, so you can flop that down for easy storage, and you can see it has a small footprint. But if you want to stand it up on your workspace as you're working, then it can hold all kinds of items that are magnetic. So, this is the magnet. The items don't have to be magnetic. So, pins. If you're a sewer, you can attach your pins to it. Oh, that's my embroidery needle. It's a little heavy there. Okay. Then, how about sewing clips? Now, I use these in crafting and in sewing, and they hold to the tool. What about your die cuts? Even small little die cuts, or you're working on a project and you want those pieces there. How about if you drop a pin on the floor and you want to find it? Gotcha tool can pick it up. This isn't just for your craft room. Think about other places that you could use this. In the garage, I bet your husband would love this. To go along with his workbench, to pick up all kinds of products there as well. So, what about, do you have a small pair of scissors that you use a lot? Stick them on the gotcha tool. So, as you're working, you can put any metal pieces that you're using onto the gotcha.